In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link. Whether you're planning a virtual meeting for now or in the future, Google Meet makes it simple and efficient to set up. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by going to meet.google.com in your web browser or by using the Google Meet app on your mobile device. Once you're there, look for the button labeled New Meeting. You'll find this prominently displayed on the home page, and this is your starting point to generate that all-important meeting link. Now, when you click on New Meeting, you'll be presented with a few options. These choices cater to different types of meetings you might want to arrange. You can decide to create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting through Google Calendar. Each option serves a unique purpose and can be chosen based on your specific needs. Let's start with creating a meeting for later. If you choose this option, a meeting link will be generated immediately. It's a handy option for when you want to set up a meeting in advance, but don't need to specify a particular time yet. Simply copy this link to your clipboard and share it with your intended participants through email, messaging apps, or any communication platform you prefer. Sharing the link ensures that your attendees have direct access to the meeting when it's time to join. Next, for those of you who need to connect quickly, selecting Start an Instant Meeting allows you to join the meeting room right away. This option is great for impromptu discussions or when you need to connect with someone in real time without any delays. Upon choosing this, you'll be taken directly into the meeting space where you can immediately start your virtual conversation. Finally, if you prefer to have everything laid out and planned, you might want to schedule a meeting using Google Calendar. Choosing this option will direct you to Google Calendar, where you can fill in all the details necessary for your meeting. Here you can set the date and time, add a descriptive title, include meeting notes, and invite your guests by adding their email addresses. This method is particularly useful for more formal or recurring meetings, as all the information is neatly organized in one place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a Google Meet link ready for sharing or instant use. Whether you're coordinating a meeting for later, jumping into an immediate one, or scheduling for a future date, Google Meet offers the flexibility to accommodate all your virtual meeting needs. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.